What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be talking about a store that does over $1.4 million in sales on a monthly basis, and we're going to discuss how exactly they were able to reach these type of levels in a relatively short amount of time. So let's get right into this video. The product that we're going to be looking at today, it is the Galaxy projector. Now, I'm almost 90% sure that most of you guys have probably seen this these ads on Facebook or Instagram, because a lot of people are trying to sell it now. But this product is by far the best that I've seen when it comes to wow factor, and that's something that really can make or break a product when it comes to the advertisement. So we're going to look at the actual ad. So that was a competitor, but as you can see, this ad is only 15 seconds long. I'm going to play it here, and all it shows is them plugging in the product and what exactly it does. And this is the wow factor right here. You know, when you step in a room and you see this, these are like it's like a star projector, a Galaxy projector. And as you can see, this product alone for this advertisement, it got 13,000 comments, and it was posted on April 9th. And there are other competitors that are doing extremely well with it as well. So you can see this one has 14,000. This one was posted July 13th. And this one had a even better wow factor. As you can see, first 3 seconds, this one's 30 seconds long. And it shows someone walking into a room, and then bam, it shows all this. And that really catches somebody's attention. That really grabs somebody that's scrolling and makes them want to watch the video, because I know it did for me when I was looking at it. And it's just a cool product to have. Now, of course, not everyone, this isn't a type of product that you know, somebody needs, or somebody you know, it's not really a necessity that someone should have, but it just has an insane wow factor. It makes people want the product as soon as they see it, and that's what makes it do so well. And as you can see for this next next advertisement, this one had 6.1 thousand comments, and it was posted July 9th. And this one, I think, overall had the best 3 seconds. As you can see, all they did, they threw it, and then bam, it shows the product. And I know these guys had a better ad. These guys have been cycling ads too, but it had the same concept of them just throwing the product on the bed, and then bam, it shows all that stuff. And there's really no explaining to be done in the video. Like, this is literally it. This is all you need to know, and this is what all the customer or viewer needs to know in order to make their decision to buy it, because this whole video is just a wow factor. And that's really what made this product so successful. So another thing too is the original people that were doing this product, Galaxy lamps, they have so many different ads that they are running for the same type of product. So they also came out with this, what is this? It's like a Galaxy ball, or not a Galaxy, it's like a planet ball or lamp, but it's in the same realm of wow factor, same niche of product. And being in this niche alone is really cool, because you're able to captivate people, you're able to catch people's attention very quickly with these types of ads. So that's something that you guys should definitely keep in mind when you're doing your product research. You know, ask yourself, does this have a wow factor? Can I create an ad that is going to captivate people and catch people while they're scrolling, in order for them to be interested in it? And then secondly, you know, is this a widely marketable product? Like this product here, anybody could buy it. Like, it could be for kids, adults. Like, generally when you look at something like this, you think, oh, well, this is probably for little kids. But, you know, I'm 22 years old, I'm scrolling here and I see this and I'm like, wow, I actually want this. So that means it's a widely marketable product. Like, anyone could want this, and anyone could buy this. So that's something that you guys should keep in mind. We're going to go into the next topic. So for the first thing that you guys want to focus on is the product selection. So this is the main reason, one of the main reasons as to why this brand was able to do so well, is because their product alone just had extreme wow factor. And you saw that in the advertisements, and you saw that in competitors' ads. And one product stores still work, like this Galaxy projector website. They were originally selling the projector, but they branched off and did other stuff, which is a very good idea. You know, if you find a product in a niche that works, why not try and sell other products related to it and have creatives that are similar to your original winning one? So it's a very brandable product. It's not like a cheap looking product. It doesn't look like it's something that you can't really brand. And then also the colors and logos, like from the ad alone, like the purple, the blues, it matches their website as well, and you can see that. And that type of congruency that you have between the website and the ad are what makes people want to buy. That increases your conversions. It gives you that whole brand feel when a customer lands on your store, and that goes the same for the logos as well. And also, this product has good margins. So this product also has good margins as well. So if I went on AliExpress and I looked at it, they are selling the product for, I believe, $70. On Ali, you can get it for around $20 to $28. But when you're at this point as a person that's doing that amount of revenue per month, more than likely they have a agent to get them good product or good prices, and more than likely they probably buy it in bulk so they can get that big discount so they can sell it at that $70. So in general, people want to shoot for 3 times what you're getting the product for. However, they are probably doing way better than that. And the number one thing that they focused on in order for them to do so well is the creative testing. So literally 90% of this game is focusing on your ads. So it's not having too many products. It's not having a fancy store. It's catching the customer's eyes within the first 3 seconds of a video, whether that's through the product or using your wording or ad copy. It's captivating the customer in order for them to land on your store and have them wanting to buy your product. And having these other competitors is proof that it still works. Like, competitors use the same tactics. Some of them have even implemented even better tactics when it comes to the scroll stopper. You saw people throwing it on the bed. Other people, you walk in the room and you see all these lights on the wall and stuff. The first 3 seconds are by far the most important. Brand feel, and don't complicate it. Like, take what works and just roll with it, guys. A lot of people, they get a lot of analysis paralysis, or they simply just don't know where to start, or they don't know what product to start with. But scope out your competition, see what ads they run, and see why they do so well. And look at their ads and see exactly what makes people want to watch it. And these ads, it's obvious as to why people are doing so well with this product. And the game is literally 90% your creative. Like, you can take a stupid product like I don't even know, like a pen or something like that. You can take this blue pen here and then sell its factors, have it create a video ad that makes people want to buy it. Like, you can take something stupid, you can even have a rock or something. If you're able to market it really well, it's a winning product. So 90% of the game is the ad, 5% is the product, 5% is the store. And I'm sure most of you guys have probably seen a cool product, but you land on the store and it looks like crap, it's super spammy, and you wonder yourself, how in the world do people buy it? And it's mainly because of the advertisement. It's mainly because of the product. So you guys got to keep that in mind. But like I said, 90% of the game is the ad. If you're able to have really good advertisements off the start, even better than your competitors, whether that's through taking your product and sending it over to an influencer or someone on Fiverr just to have them do a custom video ad for you. If they're able to make it captivating enough and really catch people's attention, then you're going to have a successful ad. You're going to have if the product, of course, is what people want to buy, then they're going to buy it regardless of what your website looks like. So that's what I really want to discuss in this video. Hopefully you get a better understanding as to why you see a lot of brands out there that are doing well, even though they have crappy websites. But this is overall what you want to be paying attention to when you are getting started with drop shipping. Especially in 2020 and on, like, there's so many people out there that are trying to launch crappy ads and just don't really focus on what's important, and they wind up wasting a whole bunch of money. So keep that in mind, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you guys have any questions or concerns, make sure you put it down below, and then I'll see you guys in the next video.